Esteemed guests, to announce the laureate in Best Health Equity Initiative, please welcome Professor Sharon Peacock, Committee Member of Prix, Galien, UK.
Good evening, everybody, and what an absolute joy to be here tonight. So the Best Health Equity Innovation Award celebrates bold innovations that directly address disparities in healthcare access, delivery, and outcomes. So health equity is no longer a goal for us, it is an imperative. And across the UK and globally, innovators are working to ensure that health systems serve everyone, regardless of race, geography, income, or ability. So whether this is through community-driven interventions, or inclusive clinical trial design, or technologies designed for underserved populations, these initiatives reflect the belief that innovation must serve us all. So the Best Health Equity Innovation Award acknowledges those who've made equity central to their mission and measurable in their impact. So now let's discover the nominees for this category.
In the Best Health Equity Initiative category, the candidates are Agios Pharmaceuticals for clinical trials designed with patients for patients' Rise Up Sickle Cell Disease clinical program. Bren for brain-to-brain intelligence. Harley of London for Harley Wellness Dollar, empowering community health, wellness and lifestyle. Kids Operating Room for solar surgery. National Institute for Health and Care Excellence for NICE Technology Appraisal Guidance TA 1044 Exocell for severe sickle cell disease. Nuffield Department of Primary Care Health Sciences, University of Oxford for Centre for Research Equity, embedding equity into UK health and care research. Pfizer for Multicultural Health Equity Collective. Profactor Pharma for Affordable Recombinant Factor 8. Sisters of Support CIC for Sisters of Support. The Drug Discovery Unit, University of Dundee for drug discovery for neglected infectious diseases.
So you can see many fantastic nominees for this category. But before we announce the winner, I'd like to invite our executive of Trinity Life Science here tonight to join me on the stage for a short address. So Mary, if you'd like to come to the stage, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, for some preliminary remarks, please welcome Mary Fletcher-Louis, Managing Director, Evidence, Value, Access and Pricing at Trinity Life Sciences.
So, health equity, it's all about getting medicine to patients based on medical need, isn't it? Not based on wealth or even confidence or ethnicity. And it's really clear tonight that the Galien Foundation is all about health equity, isn't it? It's in your DNA. And so it's so exciting to be here. I'm a Managing Director at Trinity Life Sciences, and I lead the Value Centre of Excellence. Our motto is every decision impacts a life, and we help the life science industry to make their clinical and commercial decisions. And my particular role in value strategy at the moment is about helping the industry to figure out how to bring health equity into their HTA submissions and their value propositions in a way that can move the needle, based on and triggered by, for example, the amazing work that NICE is doing in considering how to quantify health equity. So, I attended the Galien Foundation for the first time last year, and I was just blown away by the quality of the panels, wasn't today absolutely amazing? The brains in the room that were firing off each other and the policy that seemed to be being made in real time. And but one of the things that was struck me, that actually, although the Galien Foundation clearly does live and breathe health equity, there wasn't quite a prize yet that recognised it in this country. So I'm a huge believer in the power of celebration to amplify great work. And as soon as I mentioned this to Mel and to Bruno, they leapt on the idea of, yes, we need a health equity prize. And the rest is history. You saw we had 10 applications for it. And tomorrow, we even have a round table to run with the momentum that we've got in terms of all of these passionate people about health equity coming together to figure out what else does the life science sector need. So thank you, Galien Foundation, for recognising this amazing work that all of these companies are doing in health equity.
Thank you so much. And it's clear that this prize is a critical addition to this evening. So we're now going to go on and open the envelope to find out who has actually won this category. As I say, there are 10 incredible nominations. So the winner of the prize is Kids Operating Room for Solar Surgery.
Esteemed guests, please welcome the ambassador of Kids Operating Room.
Just whilst you're coming up to the stage, to note that this allows operating rooms to function through solar power without the need of a constant electricity supply. So this is really groundbreaking. Congratulations.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Tashan. I work as the head of advocacy at Kids Operating Room. I'm not going to say much. I'm just going to thank you very much because over 1.75 billion children, mostly in developing countries, have been seen today. We support countries to develop operating rooms that ensure timely access to safe surgical care. And this is for lots of things: cleft care, cancer care, congenital anomalies in their breaths, or even trauma. And the way the world of global health is now with financing, it's very, very difficult to attract the attention and the funding. So the platform that we've been given today is going to ensure that children have access to safe surgical care when they need it. And this solar surgery platform ensures that reliable electricity supply is not one of the barriers to access to safe surgical care for children all over the world. So thank you very much. It's nice to be here.